Hi everyone, welcome to Aurora Hotels. So, have you ever felt that you keep seeing these numbers 1111 all the time? You happen to glance at your mobile and it's 1111. For no particular reason, you check the time on your laptop screen and it's 1111 again. You are in the kitchen and the electronic oven clock reads 1111. You are sitting in the car and the car clock reads 1111, and strangely you start noticing that it happens to you way too many times. I don't remember when it first happened, but I do have phases in my life where I tend to see this numeral sequence a lot of times. And it's not just me alone. There are many people, when I do their readings, have come back to me asking how would I interpret this sequence 1111, because they also tend to see it many times. So I thought, let me put my research around it, as I felt that there is some sort of spiritual message. So I thought, let me make a video on the research that I have done around this subject, as I do feel that there is some sort of spiritual message that comes along with this sequence. Interestingly, there have been some powerful events in contemporary history on 11th day of the 11th month. Probably you can just Google this and check if you're interested. So let's start with what number 11 signifies. Number 11 in numerology is known as a master number. This is a number with special spiritual significance, which means when we have 1111, which is 2 times 11, there is more power to this 11. There is higher energy level associated with this sequence. Therefore, numerologists don't add this up to 4. So I have tried to decode this 1111 sequence with tarot. Let me add over here that there is no right or wrong interpretation of this number sequence. So do add in the comment section below on what are your interpretations, what are your beliefs, and what are the experiences that you had with this sequence. It would be definitely great for all the viewers out here to read them and understand this sequence better. So let's start with number 11. In tarot, number 11 is justice. So when you see the sequence, it highlights justice, it highlights fairness, it highlights truth. Because 11 number in tarot corresponds to this card, justice. Justice is all about balance, knowing that everything is connected. So your actions would have a certain consequences. So thereby it's very important to act with balance, act with fairness, and be harmonious to your surroundings, since laws of karma apply to this card. So if you have been working very hard towards a goal, then this sequence will indicate that your hard work is about to pay off. You are exactly where you are meant to be at the moment, and everything is in divine order. 11 reduces to 2, which is about balancing the polarities in a given situation. So the other cards that are of the number 2 in tarot is High Priestess and Judgment. High Priestess is associated with the moon and the element of water, symbolizing the powerful influence of subconscious and inspiration. Number 2 again showcases a state of perfect balance. High Priestess highlights that you can fully trust your intuitions and psychic insights and pay extra attention to them at this point of time. So when you see this sequence, the first thing you should do is stop for a moment and be aware of what thoughts or what actions are you engaged in at that very point of time. Be very mindful of your surroundings. Be aware of your current surroundings, like what song is playing around or what's around you. Do you see birds chirping? Do you see a butterfly? What's around you in the natural world? Do you see a traffic light with green or do you see a traffic light with red? And try to put a significance to what you are seeing around yourself. Also, if you meditate, you may be receiving some kind of messages or visions which could actually be genuine communication from a spirit or from a divine source. We also have another card which adds up to 2, which is Judgment. This card yet again demands that we should consult our consciousness and subconsciousness when we make decisions. So this card again highlights the importance of synchronicity. With this card, 1111 comes at moments when you are in the midst of a mental chaos or confusion, and this card throws light onto the correct path ahead. It also highlights a second chance. It gives you an opportunity to wipe your slate clean and start again. So 1111 moments are the moments of inner calling and awakening to your spiritual purpose. You may be going through a huge transformation at this moment, or you may be even reinventing yourself. So 1111 moments are the second chance that you're getting. 1111 moments are the rebirths of all types, and you will have a strong sense of determination and rejuvenation. This also reflects your relationship. So there could be a past karmic impact in your relationships. There are no accidents, and whatever is happening for a reason. You may have to learn certain karmic lessons before you move out of challenges or obstacles that you're facing. Let's move to the cards which are corresponding to the sequence in the minor arcana. We have aces, which is ones, because we have a 1, 1, 1, 1, right? And aces carry the energy of new beginnings, new ideas, new information, or new opportunities. Though, of course, there is no guarantee that there will be success with whatever comes forth, but something new is definitely coming your way. So we have 4 aces. So Ace of Wands is new business plans or new ideas, new projects. Ace of Pentacles is a new job or financial or a material gain. Ace of Cups is beginning of a new feeling. So it could be a new relationship or a new love coming in your life. Sometimes it could even mean a new passion coming in your life. Ace of Swords is new ideas, decisions, or a new logical thought process. 11 also adds up to 2. So we have 2s in minor arcana as well. 2 represents balance. 2 also represents inner struggle, as you may be in some kind of a conflict or you may not have that clarity or better understanding. So you may be in some kind of a situation wherein you are seeking some kind of clarity or guidance when you keep seeing 1111. So let's see what each of these 2 means. 2 of Wands is deciding on a particular course of action that you need to take. 2 of Cups could be an emotional or a relationship decision. 2 of Swords is mental or a logical decision making that you need to do. 2 of Pentacles is a financial or a material decision that you need to make. So when you see 1111, it could highlight justice, fairness, or truth. It could mean intuitions, it could mean rebirth, beginnings, and the need for clarity. So what to do when you see 1111? First thing which I often tell people to do is journal it. Ask yourself, what does 1111 signify to me? In other words, when you see this number, how do you feel? What are your thoughts in your head? What are the surrounding messages that you are getting? What is the natural surrounding around you when you see this number? And your thoughts may vary every time when you see this sequence. So sometimes it could mean stop and pay attention. Sometimes it could mean you are going on the right path, so keep going. So you can journal all these messages, all these observations for you to reflect upon and connect the dots. The second thing that you can do when you see this number is show gratitude, since it is associated with our karmic cycles. We are seeing 1111 because it is trying to teach us some past karmic lessons. Third, ask for guidance, ask for help if you need any. Say a prayer, address your prayer to whomever you believe in. Put it out there so that the divine forces can show you the path. One of the hypotheses around this sequence is that it is a great opportunity, it's a great moment to manifest. So it's a powerful moment in which you can put your intentions out there to manifest. So that's all for now. Hope you like this video. Do write in your experiences, how you interpret or what are your beliefs. Thanks for watching. Much love.